I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new SIM can sometimes be a hassle, but following these steps will make it straightforward. Step 1. Insert the SIM card. Begin by turning off your phone and inserting the new Vodafone SIM card into the SIM slot. Make sure it is seated properly. Step 2. Power on your device. Turn your phone back on. Wait for it to fully boot up and recognize the new SIM card. You should see the Vodafone logo on the screen. Step 3. Connect to the network. Once your phone is on, it should automatically connect to the Vodafone network. If it doesn't, go to your phone settings and select Vodafone from the network options. Step 4. Activate the SIM. Open your web browser and visit the Vodafone activation page. Follow the prompts to enter your details and activate the SIM. You may need the activation code found on the SIM card packaging. Step 5. Test your connection. After activation, make a test call or send a text to ensure the SIM is working. If you encounter issues, restart your phone or check for any software updates. If you follow these steps, you should be up and running in no time. Good luck with your new SIM.